Forget dancing robots. Let's talk about breakfast. Personally, I hate making breakfast first thing in the morning. I guess China has the same problem. Because guess what? A humanoid robot made toast and even salad. Meet Atom, the Chinese humanoid that just showed the world something far more useful. He made breakfast. And here's the best part. He actually picked up a cherry by the stem without crushing it. In a now viral demo released in March 2025, Shenzhen-based automation giant Dobot unveiled ATOM carefully preparing a meal in a studio kitchen. The highlight? Using 2 fingers, he gently plucked a cherry and placed it onto a plate. No smashing, and absolutely no slipping. That's such a big deal. This is a robot with real-world usefulness. The robot can perform different tasks, like putting the bread in the toaster, picking up items like lettuce and cherries, and putting the food on the plate. It can also pour milk, and even add honey to the toast. Atom's ability to perform these tasks with precision and adapt to different situations is attributed to its 28 degrees of freedom and high precision of zero. A humanoid robot that works. At 1.5 meters tall and weighing 62 kilograms, ATOM is made to function in both industrial and customer-facing roles. While Western robots are stuck doing photo shoots and warehouse tests, ATOM is pouring milk and operating in real jobs. What makes ATOM different? Straight knee walking. Most humanoids walk with bent knees, wasting energy and looking robotic. ATOM's upright gait is more natural and reduces energy consumption by 42%. 28 degrees of freedom. Atom's joints, especially his 5-fingered hands, let him perform delicate, human-like tasks, like lifting cherries, or even frying stuff. Yes, that too. Edge AI brains. Powered by Dobot's custom Model 1 AI, ATOM thinks in real time. That means no cloud dependency, and also no lag in action. Multi-atom coordination. Need 2 or more robots to work together. ATOMs can sync with each other instantly, allowing coordinated tasks in busy kitchens, factories, or even hospitals. Affordable at $27. That's not a typo. ATOM is priced at a fraction of what Tesla's Optimus or Boston Dynamics Atlas would cost. And it's already working, not just posing. Okay, fine, I will stop talking about the Optimus photo shoot for now. A breakfast demo that changed everything. In the video, ATOM's task list included placing utensils, pouring milk, frying sausages, grabbing toast, and most memorably, cherry picking by the stem. And my favorite part of the video, the way it cooked the sausages and put it on the plate. I mean, wow, I need to get my hands on this robot because I hate frying things. This level of fine motor precision has been rare in humanoids at this price point. Whether it's in a cafe, classroom, or clean room, there's an ATOM ready to go. This isn't just some gimmick robot designed to impress investors at tech conferences. ATOM is already being piloted in automotive factories, electronics assembly lines, and even coffee shops. Think skilled barista, not just mindless box stacker. From Kickstarter arm to kitchen assistant, Dobot didn't come out of nowhere. Back in 2015, they launched a Kickstarter campaign for a robotic arm called Dobot Magician, which was affordable, portable, and classroom-friendly. It raised over $600,000 and proved that Dobot could build real robots at scale. That early robotic arm, called Dobot Magician, was a hit for good reason. It was lightweight, affordable, under $1,000, and actually worked. Dobot's first robotic arm was more than just a tech toy. It was a mini revolution in industrial-grade accessibility. Designed with a 4-axis build and weighing just around 3 kilograms, the device struck the perfect balance between durability and portability. Thanks to a clever mix of aluminum and ABS plastic, it had enough strength to perform various tasks, but was still light enough to sit on a school desk or a maker's workbench. Right out of the box, it could switch between grippers, laser engravers, and 3D printing heads. No extra hacks required. That kind of plug-and-play versatility was unheard of in its price bracket. That early success evolved into a full-blown industrial powerhouse. Today, Dobot is China's #1 exporter of collaborative robots, with over 72,000 units deployed across 80-plus countries. They went public in Hong Kong in 2024 and are now plowing that capital into humanoid space. Why Dobot is quietly winning the global robot race. Here's the secret, by the way: vertical integration. What does this mean? This means that Dobot doesn't rely on third-party suppliers for motors, actuators, or sensors. They make it all in-house. This has a tighter control and prices competitors can't touch. Add in the fact that Shenzhen is becoming the global capital of robotics, with full government support and incentives. And you've got a perfect chance for dominance. The Chinese government has publicly committed to building a $14 billion humanoid robot industry by 2027. Atom isn't just a product, it's part of a national push. What people are saying. Between amazement and anxiety, Atom's demo went viral, not just for its technical brilliance, but for what it represents. It looks like it could do my shift at Starbucks. For cheaper, and it won't call in sick. YouTube comment. The Cherry demo wasn't just impressive, it was unnerving. This isn't 5 years away, it's already here. Tech ethics researcher. It's smoother than any humanoid I've seen, and it's cheaper than half my kitchen gadgets. Comment on X. The road ahead from kitchens to corporations. By 2029, Dobot plans to expand to 3 major overseas markets. They double their international revenue, already at 60%. Integrate Atom with NVIDIA's AI physics platforms for even smarter motion planning. And judging by the breakfast demo alone, they're well on their way. Personal commentary, from cute arms to corporate takeover. Let me be completely honest with you. I remember seeing Dobot's first robotic arm on Kickstarter and thinking, cool, another robotic toy. And now I'm watching their humanoid robot, ready to move into factories, cafes, and global markets like it owns the place. What makes Dobot different isn't just their technology, it's their attitude. They didn't waste years perfecting every detail. They shipped, they scaled, they worked on their models. And now they've become the most disruptive force in humanoid robotics. Okay, so I've seen and talked about dozens of humanoid projects over the years, and most of them fall into 2 frustrating categories: way too expensive, or cool but really unusable. Dobot's Atom is actually working. I mean, we heard of the other robot butler, what was his name anyways? This one's actually doing the work. And if Elon Musk is dreaming of a humanoid workforce, Dobot is already shipping the beta version to paying customers. Final thoughts. Not flashy, just functional. Atom doesn't dance or do backflips, but he does something more impressive. He works. He makes breakfast. He picks cherries. He stacks boxes and he learns. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more info on AI robots and new technology.